Rajasthan is no joke. It's super hot. Holy cow. It's hot. No doubt it's hot. Finally, we've reached the Delhi-Bombay Expressway, and I can't wait to get onto the expressway because then it'll just be smooth sailing after that. Just leave it on cruise control and just go. The road getting us here was not great. Actually, no. To be fair, it was pretty good. Just the small stretch was pretty bad, like about 10 kilometers. But apart from that, great roads.